Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Monday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think that we're in an uptrend. I think this is a 1-2 and we're in a wave 3 of C, which I still suspect is going to go all the way up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the bottom of what I believe to be a wave B, probably all the way up to about the 203 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can definitely see what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're at an important Fibonacci level. So I do still think there's probably a good chance that we'll see a little bit of a bigger pullback, maybe even take out this low before we really do end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move right here looks extremely corrective, which I still think there is a possibility that it is a correction to this move up right here and that it could make another higher low and just keep on going. But looking at the higher time frames like the weekly, I think this is going to end up stretching out into a bigger correction, maybe look something like that before it does really continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So I left this ABCDE here just in case, because if this does make impulsive up, break structure, I would for sure be trying to go long at the end of the first pullback, like the end of the wave 2, for the continuation of most likely the wave 3. But I think it's more likely that this is going to just probably go up and make a correction, which it might break structure, but I bet it will reject structure and just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So unless I do see a nice break and hold above structure, I am going to continue to go short on shorter time frames. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame definitely in a very impulsive move upwards. Kind of makes sense because the market opened down very strong. It's probably just going to go up and fill that liquidity gap that it made when the market opened and just made a nice impulsive move down. I actually think the first move up is an A. I think it's going to make a B. I think it's going to make a C. Like I said, it might even go up and take out this high, but I bet it will reject structure and just keep on going down. So there's definitely a few trades that you could possibly be taking. You could be trying to get in at the end of a wave B to go long for the wave C, or you could possibly wait for the end of the ABC correction to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, which is most likely what I will end up doing. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.